A snowy winter day. It was a cold winter morning. Snow covered the streets, and the sky was gray. The air was colder than yesterday. Emma put on her brown coat and her winter boots. She loved snowy days. She went out to the cold streets, and Bella followed her outside. The snow was brighter than usual and very soft. They walked slowly toward the park. At the park, Emma saw many children. They looked happy in the snow. They made snow angels on the ground. Emma smiled and made one too. The last time she made a snow angel, she was a little girl. She moved her arms and legs up and down on the snow. Soon, a snow angel appeared. She stood up and looked at it. "It looks beautiful, doesn't it?" she said to Bella. Bella looked at the shape on the ground. Bella played in the snow too. She jumped and rolled in it. "You are going to get very wet," said Emma, but she smiled. Bella was happy in the snow. They enjoyed the snow for a long time. Emma jumped and ran with Bella. When she was younger, she was always outside on snowy days. Emma slipped and fell back on the snow. It hurt her, but she laughed. When she was a kid, falls never hurt. Bella ran to Emma's arms. It started to snow again. It was a lot of snow, so they went back home. At home, Emma took off her boots. They were covered in snow. They even had snow inside. Bella was covered in snow as well. Emma took a towel and dried Bella with it. Bella loved the snow, but hated to be wet. She stayed very still while Emma dried her. Then, Bella fell asleep by the warm fireplace. Emma sat next to the window in warm clothes. She stayed there and read a book for hours.